Today we are going to blow the Radenska Cup and Carbide. This is going to blow because Carbide is attracted to water. So we are going to throw this and it will explode.
Se finnas this now. Okay. Let's do this. Напихано се јадеш.
It's gonna take a while to blow, so let's wait.
Drži. Prim. Kaj prim? Prim.
Look at that!